Hey, what's up guys? I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about the Smooth tool and Randomize tool. Okay, before that I want to go to here and open this one, and I'll press N, I'll shift A, and I will go with the cylinder, for example. And let me show you something, which is I'll press tab and I'll press 3 and I will press X or delete. I'll delete the faces of them. Okay, I'm going to delete them, and when I'm coming to here, when I come to here, I'll press 2 and select this, and I'll press left Alt, and I'll click it, and it will select all the loop cut. And I'll press G and Z. I'll do it like this, and I'll press tab and press G and press Z, and I'll press Control so I can put it. I can snap it to this one. Okay. For example, if I have something like this, I will try to scale it, then extrude it in Z-axis, and scale it and extrude it in Z-axis, and scale it and extrude it in Z-axis, and trying to do something like this. Okay, so let's press 3. Let me go to here. Let's select some faces, okay, which is like this. I'll select these faces, and we will see that how we can use Smooth tool. Okay, for example, I will come to here. This is the smooth flattening angles of selected vertices. I'll click on it. I can see something like this, and I can do something like this. You see, something like this. I'll press Ctrl Z. Let's select these. Let's select these and see what happens with them. You see, this is smoothness. Okay, it flattens the angles between them, between these. See, it made it this one flat to each other. So if I go with Ctrl Z, before it was not flat. So when I do something like this, it will be flat. Or we can do something like this. It will be more harder, the angles will be more. Okay, we can go to the smooth vertices and select something like this. We have the axis repetition, how many times should we repeat this, like this, and we have x axis and y axis. Let's see what does the x axis, like this, because it's in x axis. What about y axis? Oh, let's repeat this. And let's see, let's select this, and this is in y axis, you see. And what about z? Oh my gosh, again it happened. No problem, we will just try to be aware of it. You see, this is in x axis. Okay, that was the Smooth tool. What about Randomize tool? We have Randomize tool. Let's see. Randomize tool, which is this one, I'll click on it and it will be randomized. You see, it's created something like this. Let me select these, okay, and then randomize them. It will be randomized. You see, I can give the amount like this. It will be randomized. The faces will be randomized. You see, it says randomize vertices. It randomizes the vertices. Okay, and uniformity, we can change the uniformity of it, and normals, how much should be normal to each other. And the random seed, what is the seed? Seed, it's like a seed you put in the earth and it will create a plant. Okay, for example, if I have a one seed, if I put it in earth, it will grow. It will be in for example, if I have an orange seed, if I put it, it will grow. But if I have same orange seed, but it's the second one, it will randomize a little bit. It will not be same when it grows. Okay, think of this like that. When it is same, but it will create different shape or form when it grows. Okay, like this. And yeah, this was it. And let us see with the shift let's put a cube and press tab and subdivide them. Right click and subdivide them, and let's go with this one and go to smooth. Let's see what happens. This is what it does with the vertices if you select one. Control Z, if we go with this one, you can see something like this. This is smoothness, smoothing it. And you can try this out. Okay, Control Z, I'll go with the face with this one, and let us see what it does. You see, something like this. And I can select these. Let's go to the randomize, and let's see what it does. It randomizes it. You see, it's not uniforming it. It will create different shapes of it. Okay, and randomizes it. It comes from its name. Randomize. Smooth. It makes it smooth. Okay, like this, and that's it. But I want to tell you that I don't use these too much, but I wanted to tell you there's something like this. So there's no, it is not important to know about it, but it is good to know about it. Maybe you need it for something in the future, who knows, but only try out with me, so you can see in your mind it will be saved that you have this one here. Okay, I hope it was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.